A deal can also be created from a contact record. So now we are in the contact screen. If you just want to click into one of these contacts, let's say test, what we're going to do is on the right hand side, we can see all the deals that have been created for this account already. Now we can create another deal for this. Or if by chance we created a deal in the past and somehow it is not associated with this contact, or if we forgot to associate this deal with the contact, we can search for the deal here and then connect it with the contact. So in this case, if we already have, let's say we created a Markezing deal, we can just select that and then it can be linked with the contact. Alternatively, we can create a new deal. So Markezing deal has been added to this contact, or we can just create a new deal from here. The same process applies as the previous video, where you just enter the information around here. So we can just say this is a test deal, and then as we follow through with the other stages, the amount, close date, whoever the owner is, the type of deal, new business, existing business, and then again we can select which company and contact we want to associate this with. By default, because we are in the contact record already, the system will automatically select the contact here under the deals. Now we can remove this if you like, or we can also associate this with another contact within the system. Same thing with the companies. We can allocate this deal to one company or more. And when we hit create, it will create a different deal under the same record. There is no limit on the number of deals you can create for a contact. So for one contact, we can have multiple deals. There might be things like for this test contact, we are doing a GST return, and we are also doing an individual tax return. Along with that, let's say we've also won an advisory type deal with the client, and we can keep creating the number of deals here for this particular contact.